So we are entering into my host Akshay's house. So this is the entrance, and that's his house. It's really beautiful. See, it has been painted. That's Om, right?
Yeah, this is Om.
Okay, it's a Hindu mantra.
Yeah.
And this is a place where they pray.
Yeah.
And offer some water in the morning. Yeah. And I think there is some god that you worship,
this is
no?
Tulsi tree.
Okay, Tulsi.
There is our kitchen.
Okay, this is the kitchen. This is the place where they cook and prepare all the meals.
Also quick cookware there also.
Oh, this is also our kitchen. Hi.
Hi.
So she is preparing some curry, I guess.
Yeah.
Curry, right? And we are going upstairs. We take off the shoes here. And welcome to Akshay's house. This is the sitting area. We have beautiful sofas, and there's a window we can see outside from here. There's a TV here, one small aquarium. You have 3 fishes here, right? 3 fish. And this is the washroom. A pretty decent washroom. This is the place where we worked. We did some editing here, video editing and stuff. And we also had our meals here. And this is my bedroom that Akshay has given to me. I slept there yesterday and it was really comfortable. As soon as I landed my head on the pillow, I fell asleep because we had a very tiresome day. We went to swim and we worked a lot. And we have a balcony here. This is the balcony. We can dry some stuffs here. Usually this place is for them to dry their hills like wheat, rice, paddy and all. They dry it here because the sun directly falls on this place. And yeah, that's pretty much. And they have some chickens. I cannot see the chickens anywhere now, but they have a cow here.